Hello everyone, my name is Jatinder Singh Dhingra. I am the patent holder of Veg Fruit Wash, world's safest vegetable and fruit cleaning solution. My journey started in the year 1999 when I was traveling all across India and was looking for organic farming, organic products, and I came across real shocking conditions of farming. But the vegetables going through such critical conditions, being treated with harsh chemicals, the way they were traded in the mandi, the way it was from farm to the local mandi, traded in a dirty trolley, which was generally used to carry cow dung, because a farmer only has one trolley on an average. So that condition, then I started following it up with that condition, and the journey of vegetable from farmer's place to the mandi, then to the local seller, then finally to my home. It was a very shocking journey. I was really not aware that we are eating all that poison and we are subject to all this dirt we are eating. And I tried looking around in the market and could not find a solution where I could solve it. So the poisonous journey was very shocking. So I decided in the year 1999 that I'm not going to eat it, or my family is not going to eat this poison. So I started searching for a solution, and there was nothing available which could help me get rid of this poison. So I started researching, wanted to find a product, make a product for getting rid of this poison. So while I was researching on this, I realized that it's not just my family which is suffering from this, whereas every home needs this solution, because everybody is eating this poison daily. So, and probably this is the reason why cancer has reached every second home. So after many years of research, lab trials, lab authentications, multiple trials, I was finally able to come across a solution which was world's safest to clean all kinds of agri produce, all kinds of vegetables, all kinds of fruits, even rice, even pulses, anything that is grown could be washed and the poison could be taken off in a very simple way. And I decided to file its patent, and in 2004 I filed for its patent with the Patent Office of the Government of India, and I was granted this patent in the year 2010. Veg Fruit Wash is the world's safest product for cleaning vegetables and fruits as per that patent. That's why I've got that patent, and there is no other product like this in the world market, and for the next 20 years nobody else can use those materials which we are using in Veg Fruit Wash, as it is bound by patent. Veg Fruit Wash empowers you to remove all the surface contaminants, and your entire family can eat cleaner, healthier. You can remove all the impurities like pesticides, fungicides, any other chemical herbicides used on that, germs like bacteria, viruses which cling on to those vegetables, dirt, grime, handling residues which are used in the mandi. If somebody is, the condition of mandis. So those residues, those contaminants coming to my home, Veg Fruit Wash empowers you to remove them in just 60 seconds. Yes, just 60 seconds. Veg Fruit Wash is very simple to use. Just add 3 teaspoonfuls in half a liter of water and dip all your vegetables which you bought for the day. Let them be there for just 60 seconds. Let them soak for 60 seconds. and then rub individually with hand, dipped within that solution, take them out, wash with clean water, and that's it. The vegetables are now ready to be consumed. You can put them in the fridge, you can cook them, you can eat them directly, no problem at all. Even if the vegetable stays in that solution for more than 60 seconds, even then it's no problem at all, because it is completely edible. The solution is completely safe for human beings. So it's as simple as that. After just that, your family entirely eats cleaner and lives healthier. Veg Fruit Wash is lab authenticated. Veg Fruit Wash is FSSAI licensed. Veg Fruit Wash is patented by the Government of India. Veg Fruit Wash is completely 100% edible ingredients based. Means based on the ingredients which you can actually eat. It's that safe. It is safe for your entire family. Even babies, even expecting mothers, or even aged members of the family. Veg Fruit Wash is the best available and is completely affordable. It takes only require 3 rupees per person. Only 3 rupees per person. And your entire family eats cleaner. You eat cleaner every day and you keep the disease away. Just buy one bottle and see how it serves your family to live healthier. Thank you.